Hi guys, and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to delete photo from Krea AI. So guys, to remove pictures from Krea, go to ahead on your browse and immediately go to website on Krea AI and go to enhance your photo or make AI video. As you can see here, I have this photo and want to do to upscale and enhance, because usually drop the photo and just going this, as you can see here in this video I have this image. So guys, go to enhance and click here on remove image, as you can see here, and from left, if you have this image you can delete, just simply delete the photo, as you can see here, and confirm. Now it's officially removed guys, and permanently, and no longer AI website. So that is pretty much guys. Thanks for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Don't skip like and share this video for more content.